Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Milan Oscillator indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Milan Oscillator indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 29 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 407 indicators, with a total of 167 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 167 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. Alright, so today's indicator is the Milan Oscillator indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. As you can see, this indicator was developed to find divergence and display that on screen as an indicator. What we are going to do though is test it just slightly different than what it is made to do. So what we are going to do is we're going to look for these green bars and these red bars. And what we're going to do is when the bars here are above the 0 line, the middle line here, then we are looking for green bars to go long, long signals. When these bars are below the 0, then we are looking for the red bars to go short. And so either the bars will cross the 0 line and be green for long and red for short, or they will be a continuation, kind of like this one here, where it was green, went gray, red, then green again for a continuation. So that is the setup that we're looking for. That's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing. Alright, so we pick up the first signal is going to be right there on that one. You can see that the bars cross down the 0 line there, and they are red, and so that's going to be a short, and we get to take profit pretty easily. Go ahead and continue forward here. Now over here on this side, pick up a short right there. Fortunately, we get pretty heavy pullback almost immediately. That would have stopped us out. Alright, so we pick up a short right there. That one. And it does get us to take profit. Then we pick up another short right there. And this one's not going to do too well. A pretty quick spike to the upside there would have stopped us out. Then we pick up a long right there on that one. That one is also going to get us stopped out. Then we pick up a short right there. And looks like we were able to get to take profits on that one. And it flips to a long right there. Now switches to red for just a moment here on this little bar, then back to green, but we would have already been in this trade here. Looks like we would have actually taken profit on that bar right there as it closed, and so that would have been continuation there. That would have also got us to take profit. Then we pick up a long right there. Looks like it got us to take profit as well. Let's just double check, and it did. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through some of this testing, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admins and regular members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance and indicators that they're using and exactly where they are entering, exiting, taking profits, the whole deal. They are growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you also get the full list of indicators that we have tested with their win rates, which ones are winners and losers. And a new thing that I've been doing here recently is I've put together a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so you'll get that as well. A full list of all the strategies shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, with their win rates and links to go back and review those individual videos. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, and so I highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at this indicator and see what we can get out of this thing. So all right, let's count these out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So we have 32 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria. Not a bad indicator at all using it in this way. Thought about testing it in other ways, but honestly, I think this is going to be the best way to do it. I don't think there's any need to test it any other way. Maybe use it for divergence if that's your thing, but it's hard to test it for divergence. So for now, this one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.